To raise your hand in a Zoom meeting on desktop, first locate the Reactions button in your meeting toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Reactions button to open the Reactions menu. You'll see various emoji reactions at the top, and at the bottom, you'll find the Raise Hand button. After clicking Raise Hand, a hand icon will appear next to your name in the participants list, signaling to the host that you have a question or comment. To lower your hand, click the Reactions button again and select Lower Hand. Alternatively, the meeting host can lower your hand for you once they've acknowledged your question. For faster access, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Alt plus Y on Windows or Option plus Y on Mac to quickly raise or lower your hand without using the mouse. Remember these key steps. Find the Reactions button in your toolbar, click Raise Hand, and your hand icon will appear in the participants list. Use the same menu to lower your hand or use the convenient keyboard shortcuts for quick access. To raise your hand in a Zoom meeting on your mobile device, you'll start from the meeting screen. First, tap anywhere on the screen to reveal the meeting controls. Once the controls are visible, look for the More button, typically shown as 3 dots, or you can tap Participants, depending on your interface. In the menu that appears, you'll see various options. Look for Raise Hand, which will be clearly labeled with a hand icon. After tapping Raise Hand, a hand icon will appear next to your name in the participants list, just like on desktop. To lower your hand, simply return to the same menu and tap Lower Hand. This streamlined process ensures you can easily participate in Zoom meetings from any mobile device, maintaining the same functionality as the desktop version.